Yo, what's good with it do, YouTube? It's your boy Natepushweights back with another video. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow a beard. Now as a beginner, a lot of people have been asking me, Nate, yo, how do I grow a beard? This and that. I want to get a little peach fuzz, I want to get a goatee, I want to get a full-blown patch beard. Now if you are new to this channel, obviously subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, of course, and comment below. Let me know that you subscribe, and I'll actually give you a shout out on my channel. Now, before we get into this video though, guys, a lot of people are very confused about getting a beard and growing one and basically, maintaining it and basically making it grow from time to time. Now, it's very hard to do, I'm not gonna lie. Now, it's not anything, it's a lot of genetics into it, but, obviously it's gonna depend on how old you are and, what you're doing to your face, etc. There's really no tricks to this. Honestly, let's just say when you first start out and, trying to grow a beard, you're not really, doing anything to grow your beard. You're just letting it grow. So a lot of it has to do with genetics, like I said again, and a lot of it has to do with what you are doing. Now, there's one trick. Now, there is one trick in making your beard grow. Now, let's say you're 16, 17, and you have yet to grow any type of beard on your face, anything, whether it's here, a mustache, whatever. In order for you to start growing, you must be dry in the spots that grows a beard. If that makes any sense, of course it does. Now, obviously your chin is where you can grow a beard. Obviously your patches right here on your side of your cheeks and all this right here, lower cheeks, your mustache, and right here as well. That's where you can grow a beard. A lot of people can grow beards down here too. It depends how far how far it can go. It depends, obviously, but it can go as far as that. Now, a quick trick on how to actually start growing one. I was younger. I want to say I started doing this when I was about 16 years old, about 17, 16. Now that's not too young, but that's young enough to actually start growing a beard. Now, when I was in grade school, and there was a kid in 6th grade that had a beard already. I don't know how. I'm guessing it has to do a lot with genetics, but yes, he had a beard. One trick on how to do this, guys, you're going to need a bottle of alcohol. A bottle of alcohol, as you guys can see right here. You guys can't see that, but a bottle of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Okay, rubbing isopropyl alcohol. Now for me, I have 50%. You can go up to 80. I think there's 90 as well, but I don't really go up that high in percentage of alcohol, rubbing alcohol to put on my face technically, because it can really dry out your skin. I'm only putting this on my chin technically, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Just put it on my chin because that's what I didn't have facial hair when I first started this. So obviously the first part you have facial hair is usually your chin. That's where it starts growing. Now, I must warn you, okay? This can work for some people. This might not work with some people. You have to be very careful in what you do on the internet, guys. I want to let you know this now. This won't really affect this won't harm you in any way. Obviously, don't drink alcohol. Don't, put it up your nose. Don't swallow it. Obviously, don't do any of that stuff. That's just not smart. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. Now, just listen up. Now, I have my bottle of alcohol right here. And I have what these are basically are cotton balls. These are basically cotton balls that I'm going to use to soak up the alcohol, and I'm going to basically go like this, okay, on my skin where my beard is growing. Now let's try that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my alcohol, do this real fast, freshly new alcohol, okay, got that open. I'm going to take my cotton ball, I'm going to go like this. Please do not spill your alcohol all over yourself, because that's just not going to be good. Get enough alcohol so it's wet. Like I said again, I have 50% rubbing alcohol. This is basically half water and half alcohol, which is perfect. It's not going to dry your skin out too much. If you do this, every other day, you'll start seeing improvements of basically hair starting to grow. You will, I'm sure. Now, one thing you need to know, and let's just do this right now. Okay, so I put this on here. Okay, just like that. Wet it up. That's what she said. It's like I said, I'm just gonna do the chin for now, so I can show you guys. You put it all over your beard. If you have one now, you know you can help it grow even more. But let's say you don't have a beard. Let's say you have no type of hair on your face. Just put this on here. Boom. Now what you're gonna do is just let it dry. Just let it. It's gonna dry up. Your face is gonna feel very smooth and dry at the same point. You might not like it. You might like it. But this will help you grow your beard as a beginner. When you first start, this will help you keep growing and keep growing. You'll start seeing a little bit of hair start grow there. Once you start seeing a little bit of hair starting to grow there, what you're gonna do is let it keep growing as long as possible. Let's say it starts growing for about a week or two. Let's say you let it keep growing for another week. Let's say you don't really see any more growth within a month. What you're gonna do is you cut it, okay? That's when you first start to cut it. Now once you cut it, you're gonna repeat the process. You're gonna continue to do the process of, you know, putting the alcohol right here. Once you do that, you know, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna rinse and repeat. It's gonna keep growing. You wait, keep growing. Boom, cut it again. Boom. It's gonna keep growing until it gets to like here. Okay? And you keep doing the same thing, honestly. Now, once you start really growing a beard, once you start officially growing, like me, for instance, I'm actually starting to grow like a full beard. I have a goatee. I can actually grow my sides too as well, but I don't like to have my sides there because, you know why? I really like the goatee style on me personally. But once you start growing the actual beard, what you're gonna do is basically not do this anymore, as in not cut the hair. You can still put this on here, but it's not gonna grow as fast, technically, because you already basically started the process. You can still do it. It feels very good on your beard. It actually cleans your beard. It'll actually, you know, make the hair more smooth, whatever. You know, it'll feel very good. So once you do that, basically, the cutting process is kind of like, okay, if you cut all your hair off, it's gonna grow back faster, but it's not gonna grow back more. You're gonna have to wait longer and longer. The more you cut, the more you'll have to wait longer and longer to get a full beard, technically. Okay? That's just a little inside tip right there, just so you guys know. But when you're first starting out, like you're 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, heck, 20 years old, 21 years old, and you don't have a beard yet and you want one, this is what you have to do. Dry the facial hair so it can grow, basically. This will not hurt you. Obviously, don't go crazy all over the face going like this with the rubbing alcohol. That's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm telling you to put it on here, your facial hair, right here, when you first start out, your chin hair. Boom. You want that chin hair to start. Once it starts, you're good to go. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, man, this will definitely help you out if you're new to getting a beard yourself. I'm not a beard expert. Don't quote me or anything like that. I'm just trying to help people out that's, you know, starting out and they want a beard. They want to look like a man, you know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We are almost at 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody, you know, watching the video, and hit that like button. Of course, let's try to get a lot of likes on this video so we can help everybody out. And stay tuned for another banger. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.